Today I am going to explain about, apart from this positive and negative feedback, some other is there like feed forward control. So that also I think I can discuss under homeostasis. Feed forward control, that I am going to discuss. So I will tell you with an example. So before explaining feed forward, just to see the exam negative feedback, yeah, already we know this, already we have explained many times. Like whenever you eat 4 idli, your blood glucose is increased, which is the variable. And our homeostasis will try to bring that back to normal by the sensor, which is beta cells. So beta cells will sense the increase in blood glucose, and what beta cells does by the feedback control, it secretes insulin, that is the effector. And what insulin does? Minus, it will decrease the blood glucose. And this is negative feedback. This we already know. So increase in blood glucose coming back to decreased glucose or bringing it back to normal, which is negative feedback, and this circuit we know. Now I am going to discuss in this video about feed forward control. Feed forward control is nothing but, for example, GLP-1, which is glucagon-like peptide. So GLP-1, which is glucagon-like peptide. What it does is, it is present in GIT, gastrointestinal tract, GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide. So what this does is, this bypasses this sensor. So this negative feedback loop is not going to come, but the same output is going to be there. I will just show the, see here, as they take 4 idlis, which is sensed by the GLP-1, and what this GLP-1 does is, it acts on the afferent and it also increases insulin. And it also, the GLP-1, so this increase in blood glucose is sensed by this, but it is anticipatory, because it has not gone to this level. So it has not checked the blood glucose, but once you eat, the GLP-1 is being synthesized, and one of the function of GLP-1, that is glucagon-like peptide, is increased insulin secretion. And you already know the insulin secretion will decrease the blood glucose. But what is the difference between this feed forward control and negative feedback? Negative feedback, the blood glucose is increased, which is sensed by the beta cell, and the loop is completed. Whereas in feed forward control, the GLP-1 directly starts producing insulin based on your eating habit. So whenever you are going to eat, your GLP-1 increases. As the GLP-1 increases, it secretes insulin. So this is feed forward. So it is an anticipatory step. So even before the sensor starts working, this starts working. So that is the difference between feed forward control and the negative feedback. So today I discussed about feed forward, where it bypasses the sensor, the negative feedback loop, but the output is same, like glucagon-like peptide. So whenever I eat, whatever I eat, those products is sensed by, those products stimulates the glucagon-like peptide, GLP-1 release from GIT, and one of the function of GLP-1 is producing insulin from the beta cell. Thank you. We will meet in next class.